Hey guys, Steve here. Today I want to talk to you about how you can make some serious cash from home. Now, this opportunity that I'm about to tell you about has nothing to do with being online, no posting on social media. You don't have to send emails. You don't have to, do anything. You don't even got to make videos. And it has to do with this card right here, right? As you can see, it says what? If you can mail a postcard, you can easily generate some serious cash, right? Not only can you generate $25 per referral, but you can also make a very lucrative commission. And I'll zoom this in. I'll show you this card a little bit better in a minute, right? And it's only $50 to start. And when you send $50 in and pay your first $50, your admin fee, your membership fee, you get 200 postcards like this, right? And you get 200 leads on labels like this, right? So, and that's all you do is you take a postcard, put a lead on it, put a stamp on it, and I'll show you how easy it is at the end of this video. But first, what I want to do is I want to go over actually what the opportunity is and how you could really make some serious cash and how people are really winning with this online opportunity right now. Also, with this opportunity, I do have a bonus, and if you bring your opportunity online, like I suggest, I'll help you get set up, and I'll also send like 100 clicks to your website that I'll help you get set up. It won't be free, but there is a free opportunity. It's not free, but there is a way that you can get an internet page, a done for you page. The group that I'm in does offer a website, and then I also offer a way that you can automate your business. But anyway, let's just jump right in. I'll cover that all in the video. So let's jump here. And this is my capture page. This is how I automate this particular business, right? It's discover the #1 way that is pocketing average people $2,500 to $3,500 in cash. Simple postcard system. $50 to start up, done for you system. We take all the calls. You don't have to do any selling, telling, or anything. Like I said, you just put a stamp, put a label, put it on this card, and drop it in the mail, right? So let's go over to what this opportunity is. Here's the company page. It is called the Cash Club Unlimited, right? And like I said, it's a way for you to pocket cash directly in your pocket. There's no personal selling, no product inventory to maintain, no answering questions, no hotel meetings, no cold calling, no explaining, no chasing friends. It's all done on a postcard. And like I said, $50 to start. Here's an example of the postcard. There's other templates and formats also, but this is basically what you'll get, right? Like I said, it's only $50 to get started. You have to sign up. You have to join at the $50 membership, and that's where you will get your postcards, right? I got it upside down. Your postcards, right? You'll get your postcards, and you'll get your 200 leads on labels. So I repeat, for $50, you'll get a stack of postcards, 200 of them, and leads on labels, peel and stick labels. That's your $50. And like I said, if you get someone to sign up under you, you'll get $25 of that. So in the mail, you'll get $25 for every person you get to sign up. You'll also receive a personal 4-digit ID number. Mine is 1611-1611. And that'll be down in the description box below next to the link. So you can click the button and sign up for this awesome opportunity. You'll also get, after you send your $50 in, you'll get a phase 2 upgrade form in the mail in your starter kit. And what that'll allow you to do is that'll allow you to upgrade to the next level, which I'll cover that in a minute. So like I said, you'll get $25 for every person. Now, there'll be a link in the description box below of this page, and all you got to do is click here to become a member, and it takes you to the payment page. You'll make your one-time $50 payment. You'll put my sponsor number here, which is 1611, your information, today's date, and you'll hit submit. And then you'll go to a payment page. You just pay the $50 one-time fee, and that's it. Voila, your package arrived to you in 7 to 10 days, and you will receive 200 postcards, 200 peel and stick labels, and your welcome packet with other information on how to upgrade if you want to make additional commissions. So let's go over the compensation plan real quick. Here's part of my marketing system of what I use to bring this opportunity online so I can get more leads, right? Not only am I sending out 200 postcards every time I get them, right? I'm also driving traffic to my capture page, collecting their email information, and following up with the email campaign that this marketing system provides. This is separate, and you can get your hands on this too. And actually, this is the system that I would recommend, and I'll give you 100 clicks to your capture page after you get it set up, right? So this is your welcome video that does all the selling and the telling. Now, like I said, you don't have to bring it online. All you have to do is get these postcards, put the label, put the stamp, drop them in the mail, and I'll show you how easy that is. Here's online, it does all the selling and telling. People like watching videos. If you look at this card here, this has the information on here, but this is in a nice, smooth video form that outlines it all. People like watching videos, and also, if you didn't know, it presents you as the sponsor, so it labels and brands you. It also has your contact information and your sponsor ID, and a way that they can print something out and order it, and I'll show you what that looks like real quick before we get on. I have this document connecting to my Google Drive, and they can print it out and mail it in, right? Contact me, send this in to this address here, and then they can do it by mail, which I don't know why you would when you can easily click the button here, right? And go straight to the, let me click the button, go straight to the payment page, enter the 1611, enter your information, make your one-time payment. That's how simple it is when I bring my postcard business online, which you can do as well. So not only am I sending out postcards, but I'm also driving traffic, doing my online marketing tactics and strategies here. And if you partner with me, not only will you get 100 clicks to your website, but also I will give you a viral list builder, right? That'll help you build your list, and also so you can have, which has value and training, so you'll be able to follow up with the list that you're creating. It helps you easily create a list. It gives you a capture page, and all you do is email them out. So real quick, let's go over the compensation plan. So after you initially sign up for phase 1, which is your $50 admin fee, and you receive your 200 labels, you'll receive a form that's called a phase 2 upgrade form. Now, here's how this works. Here's the compensation plan. You have levels 1 through 8 that you could come in at if you want to earn more than just $25 commissions for every referral. If you want to up your game and make some life-changing cash, especially now going into next year, it's time to ramp up and start promoting your opportunities, right? You got 8 levels you can come in at. The first level is you pay $100, which qualifies you to make $700 commissions. Then your upline will make 20, and then the company will make 10. If you come in at level 2, you pay a $500 one time, but that'll qualify you to make $350 and $70, right? So whatever you make here, it qualifies you to make beneath it, right? And also, while there's a special, whatever level you come in above level 2, you will get bumped up to the next level. So say you come in at level 2 at the $500 level, they'll bump you up to level 3, so you will qualify for $700 payments, $350 payments, and $70 payments. Now, here's where the magic happens. It's called spillover. Now, the way spillover works is, if, say, you're at the $500 level and somebody comes in at the $1,000, you'll always make your $350, and then the remaining money goes to your sponsor. So that's an easy way for you to make commissions, even being positioned at a lower level. Now, also, which is really cool too, is that when you start building your downline, you slide to the level 2 position. So when you bring somebody in, right, they're going to be at the new level 1, at position 1, on whatever level they come in at. Then you're going to be in position 2. So being in position 2 qualifies you to earn 20% on every sale. So like I said, let's go back to the example again. If somebody comes in at the $500 level and you're at level 2, you will qualify to earn $350, right? Or your downline, if they come in at 500, right? they'll be qualified if they bring somebody in to earn $350. You, since you brought them in, will be at level 2, at position 2, which is right here, and that will qualify you to still get $100. So regardless, as long as your downline is always producing, right? Whatever they're making, you're always going to get that 20% off of what they're making, right? Which is awesome. And you'll get any spillover for anybody that comes in higher than whatever level they are. So this is definitely a game-changing opportunity. And you can get started and get your welcome package with 200 postcards, 200 leads on labels, and your welcome pack all for just $50, which by itself qualifies you to make $25 over and over and over again for every referral. But I highly recommend you take the upgrade once you get it, right? So anyway, what I want to do now is I want to quickly show you how easy this is, right? So I'm going to take a card here. Here's a card. Blank. It's a blank card, right? That's the information on the back. The card does all the selling and the telling. Let me show you how easy this is. So I'll put the card down. I'll grab my labels here. I'm going to peel one label off. Boom. Right? I'm going to put it on the card. Label on the card. Then I'm going to get a stamp. I forgot a stamp. I got a roll of stamps here. Grab a stamp. Boom. There's my stamp. Step 2. Now you can either write on, you can either use a Sharpie and write on your number right here, which I'll show you. 161. That's it. You see how easy that is? Boom. I'll show you again. So that's 1, right? Let's see. I'll show you again. Blank card. Grab my labels, peel it, stick it, boom, that's on. Get a stamp. Boom, stamps on there. And this time I'll show you, I have a little stamper with my number on it. I'll take that and I'll put that on here, see if I can get it on with the first try, make it look good. Boom. You see, that's my number, right? And that's my label. And that's how easy it is. That's how easy it is. And I throw those in the mail. So you saw me do, I did it with Sharpie and also did it with my stamper, right? And that's it. And then the card does all the selling and the telling. So that's it. That's it for this opportunity. I could make it longer, but that's pretty much what it is. And like I said, you do not have to be online. You don't got to have any kind of tech experience or internet experience, because this is strictly an offline business that, you know, I'm bringing online along with a lot of other people where they're bringing it online, making YouTube videos, creating content, driving traffic to their links using their videos. Also, they are using it on social media. They're using their online strategies in order to bring offline business online, which everybody does that, right? McDonald's does it, Subway, you know, any business, you know, that's a brick and mortar always has a presence online, and it triples, quadruples their business. And that's all we're doing with this postcard business. Now, I'll say it again. It's only $50 to start, which qualifies you to earn $25 over and over, and also will welcome you in with 200 postcards, 200 peel and stick labels, and a welcome pack that shows you the opportunity if you choose to upgrade. It's not mandatory, but if you choose to upgrade, that's the way it is. Just one thing. So if you don't upgrade, just think about this. If you don't upgrade and you just promote the opportunity to bring people in, where does that leave you? Well, what that does is it allows you to earn $25 for every person you bring in. But guess what? If the person you bring in sees the value in this opportunity and they decide to come in at level 1, you don't get rewarded. You don't make the $100. You don't make the $70 because you already just made the 25, right? So that's why you position yourself, even if it's at the $100 level, so you can get something additional than just the membership welcome package fee, right? So anyway, that's something to think about. And this is an excellent opportunity for anyone who has a tight budget. And like I said, if you partner with me, I'll help you get set up online using the capture page and the system that I have here. And also, I'll drive you some traffic. And also, I have another bonus where I'll offer you a 3 to 4 stay hotel getaway too. But we'll talk about that more when you partner with me. Anyway, that's all that I got. Like, share, subscribe. I'm out.